I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Dayforce payroll account. So Dayforce is basically a human resource managing company. So if you guys have a lot of employee on your company or on like your own business, then basically Dayforce payroll helps you manage them. All right, so that's the short description of it. Now let me take you to the login place of Dayforce. So before that, Dayforce payroll. All right, so my payroll spelling over here is a bit wrong, so Payroll. You want to search for Dayforce payroll. After you search for it, make sure you click on dayforcehcm.com. Alright, so click on it and it's going to take you to dayforcehcm.com, which is the official website of Dayforce. Once you're over here, you need to enter your company name, which means like which company you work in or like how your company's name is being registered in Dayforce. So my company name is Kevin and it's also registered as Kevin on Dayforce. So company name Kevin and my account username is going to be hem68. And basically my passport, I'm not going to tell that password, alright? So after I enter my login details over here, I can click on login. And basically if my company name, my username, my passport is correct, I should be able to log in into my Dayforce account. And if you guys can't for some reason log in into a Dayforce account, you can click on can't access your account. And it's going to take you to the page where you guys can recover your Dayforce account as well, alright? So hope you guys understand on how you guys can, recover a Dayforce account and log in into a Dayforce account.